My name is Chelsea Peurifoy. I'm the owner of Chelsea Peurifoy Designs, and today I am reviewing Nelko portable. Disregard my nails. I refuse to get new ones until they all fall. Bear with me because this review is a little handsy. Well packaged. I can feel something inside. Let me read the instructions to see how to turn it on. I cannot tell you. I probably have to download an app. And this QR code. And it's gonna help you. Oh! Alright. There's a roll of labels inside. Alright. Because it needs to be charged. And I will do that. Okay? That was... Oh, I did it wrong. Alright. Fail number 1. Here's to try again. Alright, I missed a very important step. Lock it back in place. It says to close the cover and press the power/feed button to calibrate the label and test the printer. Oh my gosh, look at it. Stop that. Follow the instructions, guys. Okay. Alright. Now go on your app.